Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you some of the new features of Hytale's biggest update so far. Okay, so basically Hytale launched about 3 months ago, but since then they've already had 4 major updates released. Update 5 is currently in pre-release as well. Already this game feels very different from launch, but this is honestly just the beginning of development. A big new addition was just added, and this is the feature suggestion page. With this page, players can submit ideas, upvote features, and also leave feedback. This is such a cool update, I honestly love it. Developers are already using this to guide updates. Most requested feature right now is boats, as people want it because there's lots of water in the world, traveling is slow, and it's really cool for multiplayer. There's been a ton of building improvements requested, like combining different slab types in one block, as this will greatly improve creativity. Next up, fishing is confirmed to be coming. As of right now, fishing traps exist, but no fishing rod system yet. Devs have said they want to take their time with it. Weather affecting gameplay has been suggested. Devs have also just added playtime tracking, so you can now see how long you've been playing. Another thing requested is a skill tree / leveling system. Loads of people have requested it, but devs are still deciding whether they want to add it or not. Something else is players really want a full color wheel, as the current system is limited, but we've gotten no update on that yet. Up next, we know that devs are actually working on voice chat improvements. For example, they're adding better mouth animations and better eye movement. Also, there's a major technical update planned. They'll be switching to cubic chunks, which means that there'll be better performance, less lag, and possible infinite world heights. Up next, we also know that chapters are coming. This will add story content and give players structured goals. As for the developers, they have stated over and over they're focusing on long-term success and not rushing for hype. The only current issues is that servers can be a bit unstable and updates sometimes break things, but this is expected in early access. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.